Jose. This is your Facebook page. Looks like you got it set up pretty well. I was able to find your Facebook, your website from here, and it looks like you got a lot of information on here, which is good. You got a few people that follow and like you. Going to your website, looking at this, it's laid out nice. It looks like you could have some more content. You only have 242 words. Content is king when it comes to ranking for Google. Google loves content. You want to make sure you have organic keywords within the content that flows well. Another thing is for the images, you want to make sure you save them with keywords. So you don't want this. You want like floor installation Miami .jpg instead of that. And the same with all the images. You want to make sure each of them is saved with a different keyword. It'll just help you rank with Google. Going to Google, searching floor installation Miami. You can come down here. You can see there would be ads up here up top. Then there'd be the GMB. And then coming down here, finding your top competitor right here. The rest are just directories. Going to his website. You can see his website, and he has some content, but not all that much. So I'd recommend having at least 1,000 words. You can go to 1,500. You can get as much as you want, but definitely beat your competitor here. Let's see what he saves his images as. That's not an image. Is this an image? I don't know what that is. Let's see. I gotta find an image. Yeah, that's a link. Oh, save image as. Let's see. He just has his logo. So you can get keywords by saving your stuff as images. Going to Ahrefs, which is the tool I like to use. It looks like you have 2 backlinks, 1 referring domain, no keywords. Google hasn't found any keywords for your website, which happens when you don't have many backlinks to referring domains or much content. Putting your competitor in here, you'll see he has 714 backlinks, 110 referring domains, 296 organic keywords, and he gets 146 people a month from his keywords. And then he's got a UR of 23 and a DR of 19, which is pretty good. You can definitely beat this. Basically, you just come in here, grab the backlinks that he has. You can just go to these websites and grab the ones that we want. You want to make sure you grab backlinks that are ranking good. You don't want spammy ones. You don't want ones that just send out a whole bunch of links to everyone and have no DR or UR. Google knows what spammy links look like, and you'll get hurt pretty bad for that. As well as you want to make sure you get relevant backlinks. So you want backlinks from home, like home improvement or floor installation, other stuff that's relevant to your industry. You don't want fast food linking to you. You want renovation websites and blogs and guest posts linking back to you. You can also get sponsor. You can go on and get sponsor sites. You can go sponsor sites and get them to link back to you as well. There's plenty of ways to do it. Obviously, it costs money to get a bunch of them, but some of them are free. You can write your own guest posts and submit them, see if they give them back to you. There's ways you can do it to get free ones, but generally it costs money to get good backlinks. You want to make sure that they're good backlinks too. You don't want to go out and get any backlinks, but you can go check other competitors too, see what backlinks they have and try to get them. You can also come in here and see their keywords that they search for, that they rank for. You'll see floor installation Miami, 200 search volume in Miami a month. KD of 4, so super easy to beat. It takes, you can get that in a few months. Traffic, he gets 22 people a month from that. Generally, the top person gets a third. He's only getting just over a tenth, so I'm not sure why he's not getting like more than that. He should be getting about 55, 60 people. So, but I mean, he's number 3. There's 2 directories in front of him. If he was number 1 here, he would probably be getting that, 60 people a month. Tile installation Miami, 150, 0 KD, super easy to rank for. He also gets 19 from that. There's all floor contractors Miami, 200 people a month search that, only one KD, very easy to rank for. Bathroom remodeling, 1 KD, 80. There's a lot of good ones in here. What else is there? Bathroom remodeling, Miami, Florida. Just adding the FL there. Another 80, one, and 1 KD, super easy to rank for. You'll notice it also tells you what the cost per click is here. This one, just the FL, makes it go up $3 versus not having that there. So obviously I wouldn't go for any of those. I would look for, the cheaper ones like this one, But you can come in here and find all the keywords that you want. There's going to be plenty of good ones, bathroom remodel. 0 KD, you want to go for the low KD. You'll get them faster. You'll rank number one. Super, a lot easier to rank for these versus this 31 tile flooring, Miami, Florida. That's going to be hard to rank for versus this one, and they get the same amount of volume. And this one actually looks more, like remodel. Sounds better than tile flooring. That might just be someone trying to buy tile floors instead of having someone remodel it for them. Although this might be looking for like blog posts about that too. But you can come in here and find the ones that you want. Floor removal services. Yeah, they had that. Wood floor installation, Miami. There we go. 150, 0 KD. Very good one to go for. Absolutely go for that one. There's 7 pages you can check here. There's plenty of other ways. We can also just type in Miami here and get rid of the ones that we don't, the non-location specific one. But yeah, there's a whole bunch in here you can look for. Next thing to look at is the Google Map Pack. If you haven't already set up your Google My Business, it's free. You want to make sure you complete it 100%. You don't want to not do stuff that Google wants. Google will rank you better if you have it completed 100%. Then content for Google My Business would be photos. So you want to put in a lot of photos in your GMB. Next thing is citations. The top guy in here, he only has 23 citations. Citations, easy to get. It just takes time to fill them out. We can come in here and grab the ones that he has. There's a lot of free ones out there. Some of them are paid, but you can go Google. You can get a whole bunch of free ones. It's just basically directories. You got to make sure your name matches up with your GMB, your phone number, as well as your location, and then you can outrank your competitors on the GMB as well. Yeah, hopefully those tips help. You can do it yourself. If not, you're welcome to contact me. We can set up a Zoom call or a phone call, and we can go over some stuff. I hope you have a good rest of your day.